Hey, what's up everyone, it's Dave and we are back with the next video, and today is going to be an unboxing video. So I got a 2018 Camaro, and I have had dash cams in all of my vehicles for the last probably 5 years, except for the last one that I just had. I took it out a little while ago. So I started searching around trying to find one that I thought that I would like, and I think I picked one that I'm going to like, but this is the unboxing video of it, and maybe I'll do an install video of it. I'm not sure yet, but we'll definitely do a review video later on. So anyways, here we go, unboxing video. All right, we're going to try it this way. Hopefully you all can see it. So this is the unboxing of the REXING V1-4K. So it's 4K. It's the REXING, and some items here on the back of the box. It says built-in Wi-Fi, Supercapacitor, 4K, 3840 by 2160, 60 frames per second, 2.4-inch LCD screen, 170-degree ultra-wide lens, temperature-resistant loop recording, WDR, gravity sensor, GPS is optional, and then easy playback. So here again, this is the unboxing video. So we're really just going to cover what all comes with it. If I can, there we go. Get these scissors to open this. All right. So nice little cover here. I'll leave that out there. All right. Should have prepared a little better, huh? All right, so let's see what we got. Nice sturdy box. First thing we see when we open up the top here. There we go, that's better. As soon as we open up the top here, we've got, looks like our manual. So we've got the quick start guide for the V1-4K. There's all your goodies. So the manual, claim your 18-month warranty. So here's what that is. Tell us, review us, follow us, and then a safety guide as well. All right. All right. Next thing we got is some really nice foam packaging around the camera itself. So there we go. There's that. Put it over here, and then we have the camera. I wanted something pretty low profile here again for the Camaro, so that's why I was pretty excited about this. So here we go. This is the camera. This is where it mounts up on the dash. So you'll have the camera looking away. So there's your camera, and it's adjustable so that you can adjust it as needed, right? So this is the screen that you'll be looking at. So it will mount up on the screen like this, and then that's what you'll be able to see down below, right? So on it we've got a, looks like a picture button, record, mic, and not sure what this other button does here, and then an OK button. So there's your screen. Nice size screen to be able to look at. So like I said, 4K, Wi-Fi, Ultra HD. So there's the camera itself. Let's see what else we got in here. We got another little box inside. I'm gonna guess this is just your standard, 12-volt or cigarette lighter plug, whatever you want to call it, and it is mini USB. So there's that. Then we've got another cable here. Another USB and mini USB. More than likely that is to transfer items from the camera onto your PC. Let's see what else we got here. One more box of something. I did get this on Amazon, so there will be links down below. Alright, we got some little stick tabs here. Looks like we got a tool. Okay, so probably an application type tool. And then we've got different mounts. Here is just a standard mount. Actually, looks like you got two of those, so two standard mounts. And I'll pick that up in a minute. And you got two of the 3M tapes. So these are identical. So two mounts, and then you have two of your 3M tapes. So real quick on the quick start guide, because this does what's in the box. So it says yep, the camera itself, a car charger, dash cam mounts plate and 3M tape, a mini USB cable, cable management tool. That's what that was for here, cable management. So like hide it behind your A-pillars. Cable clips. So if you want to hide the cables, that's what these are for. Or keep them out of the way as much as possible. And then, like we said, the quick start guide and the safety guide. So yeah, it's got quite a few options here, and it will take up to a 256 gigabyte card, which I also picked one of those up. A link from Amazon will be in there as well. This is the high endurance card, so it will do it without any problems, right? So yeah, pretty nice. Looks like it's pretty simple to operate. I will say, you know what, I'll go ahead and open it as well. This just came in the mail today, so I haven't had a chance to open it up yet. But so I'm going to do something different on this one than I have in the past. I've always hardwired my dash cams in, just because I like how they look that way. But what I found was still hardwire it, but another option. So here again, this is just kind of a little bonus unboxing for you all. So you know the port in your car, the OBD port. So this came with a set of two. So if I get one for my daughter's car or my wife's car, I'll have an extra one. So, but what this does, instead of going up underneath the hood, I now have this ODB adapter. So, and then it's a mini USB as well. So this will just go in, and then it has two settings on it. I forget exactly what they call it, but one is basically like an auxiliary setting, so only on when the car is turned on, and then the other setting is like on all the time, up until the point where I think it said if you only have like 15 minutes of battery left or something like that in your car, it will shut off so that you don't drain the battery completely. But that's the mode that you'll want to use for if you want to put it in parking mode, to record any motion sensors and stuff like that. So anyways, little bonus thing there. So it just plugs into your ODB sensor, or port, whatever you want to call it. And then I know a lot of times that's a lot closer and easier to do an install. So I'm going to try it. I've never tried it before. If I don't like it, then I'll just buy the typical, you know, either fuse install or something like that. But you can see there's only 3 pins inside there, and it's just for your accessory and then always having the power on type of setting. So that's that. I have a link for that down below as well. I think I paid like $15 for both of them. So yeah, so I will most definitely not be using the car charger, like the 12-volt cigarette plug charger, whatever you want to call it. That will not be used ever. I may use it initially just to do a test on the camera to see how everything works. But yeah, so that's the unboxing. Nice size camera. I like it. This is my hand, so fits in the palm of the hand, and here again we'll go right up on the dash, just like that, and then the camera will be facing forward. So yeah, so that's the unboxing of the REXING V1-4K, and yeah, that's we'll see how we like it. But size wise, I like it a lot. There are, a couple buttons here on the side. You got a power button, and then looks like a memory button. So, but we can go in more into depth into that later. And then on this side, looks like a headphone jack, and then if you want to add a GPS portion to it as well. All right, so real quick, all around 360 of it. We'll just spin it here. There we go. Yeah. So here again, this video is just the unboxing of it. We'll do a more in-depth video of it later. All right, cool. All right, thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, hit me up down below, and of course we'll do a review of it in probably a couple weeks. I want to get some decent time out of it before I start talking about it. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it. God bless.
When life keeps falling and wonder where he is in all this mess, he's right there to guide you. Unseen, you're not alone.